Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting session which is on conversion of a PDF file to a Word file. I know most of you people have struggled in converting a PDF to Word file. You have searched many online tools, and if it is converted also using online tools, you have seen most of the image has been cropped or letters has been missed or the letters has not been converted correctly. So I have brought in simple script which will convert your PDF to doc file as it is without any change. So you can have a number of graphics, you can have any colors and all, it will just convert as it is. So I I can assure you guys you will love this tool and you will also use this for a conversion purpose. So let us see how we can write the code. So first of all we need to import some modules called import win32com client dot client. This is nothing but to interact with the MS applications. Then import OS, both are inbuilt modules, so you need not to worry. The next what I need to do is like I need to connect to the word applications. Word equal to win32com dot dispatch, sorry, com dot client client dot dispatch word dot application. So this will be your small c. Next, word dot visible equal to 0. Now I have a file, PDF file here. This is nothing but a simple a kind of resume format. We cannot modify here. I will be converting this to my Word file. Okay, so doc underscore PDF equal to test.pdf. Okay, next input underscore, what is my input file? I will take this input file, so os.path dot absolute path. It will take this, it will take from this path doc underscore PDF this particular file. Okay, now my input file will define the doc PDF in this path. Now wp equal to workbook equal to word dot documents open input underscore file. Okay, this will just open the input file in workbook. Now it's the output file, output underscore file equal to os.path.abs absolute path. So this doc.pdf, I will be changing the name. Doc.pdf, same name will be there, doc.pdf, that's test.pdf. But in this case I will be reducing the last 4 digits, last 4 letters, say f d p dot 1 2 3 4. So 0 to -4, I will be reducing those 4 characters after test, plus I will be using docs, docx dot format. Okay, next I will be outputting the file, say wb dot save as to, what is the file name, output underscore file, comma file format. So this is nothing but the format number for your Word doc file, so format number 16. Then we'll say we'll get an output, say print PDF to docs is completed. Okay, once it is done, then we need to close the file, workbook dot close. Then we need to exit the Word application. So word dot quit. Okay. So let us run the code and see. If you see any error, it can modify it automatically. So I think it ran, and if you see it, it is asking for a conversion file. So okay. Seeing an error, some error will be there. Okay, path, it should be path path. Let me modify it, absolute path. Let me run the code once again. I have the same message, I think so. Okay, it has been converted here, and I have the message as PDF to docs is completed. So that means it has been successfully completed. And let me open the file. Yes, it has been opened as Word, and you can write anything. Python. Okay. So hope you have liked my video. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.